यादा my lord, if your lordship takes up, my lord, if your lordships recollect, but on the last date, my lord, I had mentioned a can 26, my lordship, are pleased to hear me. 26, my lord, is for addition of party. Lordships, my lord, failed from your lordship. The lordships had on that date passed an order which might cover me. But I've gone through the order. This is the order, my lord, it covers me in toto. My lord, the only thing I was praying that the can number is 26 for addition of party. My lord, if your lordship grant me leave now to, my lord, in accordance with this to proceed. Because I had filed this application for addition of party. Now this order passed by your lordship, my lord, covers my case.
খিদে পেয়েছে?
আমার ভরসা ক্লিনিক্যালি প্রমাণিত এনশিওর ডায়াবেটিস কে। এই ট্রিপল কেয়ার সিস্টেমে আছে হাই ফাইবার, উৎকৃষ্ট মানের প্রোটিন আর 36টি নিউট্রিয়েন্ট। এনশিওর ডায়াবেটিস কে ব্লাড সুগার সামনে রাখতে সাহায্য করে 4 সপ্তাহে।
26.
We will dispose it of.
This was the order. I've gone through that.
But you have to wait, Mr.
Yes, absolutely.
We will take note about that. Please mention your can number here.
Lordship.
What is your can and what is the name?
Well, can number is 26 of 2025. But it is below, my lord, with tagged with item number 25. My lord, tagged with MAT 873.
Mr. Biyani, you can withdraw the
No,
application.
that was, I was going to prepare, my lord,
So we can record that you want to withdraw this application.
yes. And my lord, proceed in terms of this order passed by your lordships. Because simplicity or withdrawal, my lord, do not.
Remember what order we passed.
Well, that is. Well, I may then come back after your lordships are through with the.
I think that will be
I'll come
better
back.
because
I'll come
we
back.
dismiss as withdrawn.
I'll come back after your lordships are finished.
এটাকে একটু ওই 26 বলে রেখে দিও তো।
I'm deeply obliged.
My lord, in respect of my lord, item number 27, I am only handing over the written notes, my lord.
Which one?
My
Who
item number 20.
Who argued? Tell us.
My lord, no, my lord, I am not arguing. I am adopting the all esteemed seniors argument. I am item number 27, an association, my lord. বঙ্গীয় প্রাথমিক শিক্ষক সমিতি।
Just a moment.
MAT number 1173 of the. And I am adopting, my lord, the all esteemed seniors argument.
নাম লিখে নাও, appearance এর নাম লিখে নাও।
মিস্টার, আমি নামটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, নামটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। নামটা হলো কার্তিক কুমার রায়।
না এই অ্যাপ্লিকেশন হ্যাঁ না অ্যাপিল নাম্বার তুমি এটা which মিস্টার
MAT number 1173 of 2023.
1173 So your members are all primary teachers?
Yes, my lord. And this is the association since 71 are working regarding primary education. And our members also affected. And my appeal also admitted on 27th of July 2023.
July 23.
23. This is my submission.
My lord, may I permitted to mention one CAN application I have filed with addition of the party, MAT numbers 873, that may be included with this.
You know. Yes, Mr. Tiwari. You are appearing for the writ petitioners.
For some of the petition.
Some means which ones?
I have mentioned the numbers in my written notes on allotment.
Notes.
Will you be citing documents from this 873?
873 and one CAN application being CAN 9.
ওটা একটু বের করে রেখো তো। You are some of the you are some of the writ petitioners and applicants in
Applicants in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 CANs.
now you were in those scans were also for addition of party.
Check mail.
So you wanted addition at par with the writ. You are similarly situated with
With the
writ
writ petition.
Yes,
My lord. In 2016 recruitment process, my lord, let us understand the vacancy first. There were
similarly situated with Priyanka.
Priyanka. No. Writ petition. But vacancy in 2016 recruitment process, vacancy were divided in two categories. One is earmarked and other one is non-earmarked. Within the earmarked category,
Earmark, non-earmark?
I'm describing. Within earmarked category, PH, physically handicapped, ex-servicemen, para-teachers and exempted are there. And in non-earmarked category, general, SC, ST, OBC, OBCB are there. General means unreserved. General reservation is not there. General seats means unreserved. Unreserved, ST reserved, ST reserved, OBC A reserved, OBCB reserved. That is non-earmarked.
Where do we get that?
From the advertisement itself. For
Sure.
Madam. Notification
That is 29th of You are referring to 26 September 2016.
Yes, Manoj. But what I'm saying is, Manoj, for PH,
Please give us a copy.
but I'm giving, Manoj. I'm giving. But let me say, for PH, for ex-serviceman, for para-teacher, and for exempted, seats were reserved. They had a specific reserved seat for them. For example, for 10 seats were reserved for para-teachers. For 5 seats were reserved for ex-serviceman. For exempted, few seats were reserved. That is called earmarked vacancies.
Very good.
And rest portion were non-earmarked. That was open to unreserved, SC reserved, ST reserved, OBC A reserved, and OBCB reserved.
Yes.
In the writ petition, my lord, kindly, it was argued, but I would like to open my argument with the one saying, our ancient wisdom has warned us about the danger of the injustice in selection. Adharma pujyate tada vinasha. That means when the undeserving are rewarded, destruction and society of justice is inevitable. Here, my lord, merit was denied, corruption was given priority. Why I'm saying so? But kindly comes to page number 39 of paper book number 1. It was specifically argued that in the writ petition, there was nothing about corruption, there was nothing about panel. But kindly, I would like to refer a few paragraphs only first from the writ petition. I'm just mentioning the paragraphs. Priyanka, start. It kindly comes to paragraph 39. Paper book 1, page 39. I have categorically stated that there was
Paragraph you are referring.
paragraph page 39,
Yes.
paragraph 10 second portion from 31 top. Allegedly, the result was declared, but there was no panel. For the procedure
After
was
the
started for appointment 10.
After the notification.
After the notification, procedure was started for appointment from October to December 2016. The interview and verification process started from such and such date. LHD result was declared, but there was no panel, there was no merit list, there was no category was merit list, there was no division of number and rank was given to anyone. This is my specific case in the writ petition, my lord. Next, my lord, next paragraph kindly comes to page number 32.
No, what do you mean to say? No panel, I can understand that there was no.
No panel, there was no panel firstly. As per rule 8.5, I will take your lordship to that rule even. As per rule 8.5,
So where is the provision in the advertisement that merit list has to be in
and I'm coming.
published
I'm
separately?
first let me
So do we find merit list in the recruitment rules? Do we find merit list?
the panel in recruitment rules, panel is there.
Panel is there. Panel is not defined. It is said in anyway, but where do you, this is what sort of an, I don't understand what is the allegation here.
Though no panel was ever published.
Very
That is my
good.
first allegation.
Very good. So you can restrict it that no panel
No panel.
publication. Very good. Yes.
And rule 8.5 says about category of the panels.
You
That
will
was
come
not
to
done.
that.
I will not. Next, my lord, kindly comes to page 32.
If you can give me us the paragraph.
My lord, I'm just
Page
paragraph 11, 12, 13. But I'm just referring the pages. That will be easier without killing time.
32 is the cost item.
Page
Oh, internal page you're saying?
40, page 40, my lord. Page 40.
Yes.
Page 40,
Yes.
paragraph 12,
12.
paragraph 13,
Mr. Tiwari, tell us which one, what, you will elaborate later.
Yes, ma'am.
10, 11, 12, 13.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. In these paragraphs, my lord, I have categorically stated that there was no panel, first. Second, I have categorically stated about scams. I have categorically stated that reservation roster, which is one of the foundation of the judgment of the Honorable Single Bench, was not followed. These are the major points in the writ petition, my lord. Scams, I have referred to the statements given by political leaders. They have stated in primary selection process on the last occasion, one of the appellant placed a particular portion before your lordship, stating that 1 extra marks was given to some of the appellants, and by that they got the job. That is a part of the scam, my lord. 1 extra marks was awarded. I have categorically stated that all this thing happened, my lord. Now, my lord, I would like to take your lordship to the selection procedure. Firstly, my lord, definition of panel. But kindly comes to page number 111 of the rules.
Mr. Tiwari, why didn't you disclose that some of the petitioners who are reserved candidates were parties to another writ petition?
Ma, that was mentioned
Which paragraph?
in last paragraph. I'm coming.
Paragraph 28 said that you have
28.
those were completely different. What was the difference?
The difference is that before 28/11/2022, no breakup of score was published. Before 28/11/2022, I had no occasion, the petitioner had no occasion to raise the dispute in a concrete way, to produce documentary evidence to show that reservation roster was not followed. For the first time, in the name of publishing panel, breakup of score of empanel candidate was published. Before that, I cannot raise any question about reservation without knowing the same.
That was published on
28/11/2022.
Yes,
My lord, kindly comes to page number
para 28.
28 I have mentioned, my lord. My lord, kindly comes to page number 111. And page number 112, that is panel, definition of panel. 2L.
Hmm.
Panel means a list of names of the eligible and selected candidates for the appointment as teacher in the primary school published by the board according to the rules. And I'm asking the question to myself, till date, after publication of the breakup of the score, of the specific order of this honorable court, no panel was ever published. In the name of panel, one breakup of score was published. Why I'm saying so, my lord? With this, kindly comes to rule 8, page number 115. Specifically, rule 8.5.
Yes.
Rule 8.5 gives us an idea about how the panel should be prepared. Rule 8.5b, specifically I am placing, my lord. BI, a panel of all selected candidates in a district, namely unreserved.
Where you are reading rule 8?
8B1. Rule 8.5b1. A panel of all selected candidates in district, namely unreserved category, comprising of the name of the candidates belonging to general category and reserved category of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe category, OBC A category, OBC B category, and PH category, serially according to the descending order as per merit, as per existing vacancy, medium wise. As per their number, a list will be prepared in the descending order as per their merit. This is the way a panel should be prepared. B, second clause, a panel selected reserved category candidate in council, namely scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC A, OBC B, physically handicapped candidates in the respective category as per statutory reservation rule from amongst the remaining candidates of the such categories, serially according to the descending order on merit as per existing vacancy of the medium wise. Third category, my lord, 3. A panel of selected candidates belonging to exempted category, ex-serviceman category, physically handicapped in a council, separate panels category wise for vacancy reserved for the respective categories. 4. An alternative set of panels of selected candidates for each category in a council, serially according to the descending order of merit as per existing vacancy medium wise. This is the mode of preparation of panel, my lord. If in this way panel was prepared, and I have prepared a flow chart which is appearing at page 137. This should be the, kindly see the page 137 to understand this clause 8.5. To 137. I've just given example of 1 DPSC, my lord. That was a part of the record before the Honorable Single Bench. 137. If this rule was followed, this should have been the style of preparation of the panel. How, my lord? 2 categories of personnel there. One trained, one non-trained. And why non-trained was excluded from this particular case? I am saying one of my point was aptitude test. If a trained candidate in that recruitment process, trained candidates had the privilege to be appointed first. If any vacancies were there, in that case, non-trained were eligible. If trained candidates, they got 0 in Viva and aptitude test, they would have been appointed. Because for them, 15 marks is there as their training course. That's why trained candidates were kept outside of this matter. Now, my lord, the 137 describes the preparation of panel. Kindly see. There are 2 categories, trained and non-trained. We are with the non-trained now. I'm just Kindly see the non-10 portion. There is non-exempted. Non-exempted means non-earmarked. Exempted ex-serviceman. In each category, the board has done, they have said a general. There is nothing called general, there is unreserved. So one panel should be there. There should be unreserved, SC, ST, OBCA, OBCB, PH. For even
Now, what do you mean by this exempted and non-exempted?
exempted in the public notification, my lord, what board has done, exempted, they have non,
Under 85B124.
there is no term called exempted, not exempted. What it is done by the board, what board has done, my lord, board described exempted
This is board document 137.
85.
137.
That's my document. I have prepared from 85.
So then, Mr. Tiwari, how did you know why non-exempted you are saying?
But that was a notification. They have stated in the category exempted, not exempted. That was the style.
Exempted means those ex-servicemen.
Yes, my lord. Ex-service earmarked. Exempted means earmarked. Non-exempted means others. Exempted means
Yes,
earmarks.
What you are trying to show from?
I'm trying to show from this chart, as per rule 8.5, if panel was prepared in its true sense, as per the rules, then this should have been the exact panel. A panel should have general, SC, ST, OBC, PH in all categories as per rule 8.1, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there should have been one additional panel as per rule 6. Nothing is there. Recruitment was made. Roughly 42,000 plus were recruited without any panel. When rule says about preparation of the panel, no panel was practically prepared. Even till date, there is no panel. In the name of panel, on 28/11/2022, one breakup of score was published, not panel. Selection process amendment.
Yes.
Next, madam, my next point will be, this is regarding my panel. This is my argument regarding panel. My next point will be selection procedure. In any recruitment process, selection procedure is one of the main criteria. My rule, the recruitment rules was amended on 24 September 2016. And few things were changed, my lord. It's my document, dada. Firstly, my lord, comes to page 114 of the paper book. Page 114 of the paper book, rule 7.
Yes. Yes, rule 7.
7, my lord. 7A, the board shall constitute selection committee within the jurisdiction of the council with the following members, namely. It says the board shall constitute a selection committee within the jurisdiction of the council. Council means DPSC. My learned friend all my learned friends, senior friends, on last occasion tried to impress that yes, it was DPSC wise selection committee was formed. This rule was amended. I have just handed over, my lord, a document. Kindly comes to this particular portion was amended. Rule 7A was amended.
কপি দে না অসুবিধা হচ্ছে কিন্তু ঠিক রুল দিচ্ছিস কিনা আমি বুঝবো কি করে কি মহা মুশকিল একটা কপি দিয়ে অন্তত
Yes.
But here it was amended and it was stated the board shall constitute selection committee for the purpose of selection of eligible candidate and preparation of panel of such candidate for appointment of teachers in primary school within the jurisdiction of the board. Power from DPSC was snatched and it was taken to board. Selection was not made by the DPSCs, it was made by the board as per the amended rule. Question of publishing DPSC wise panel does not arise when the panel as per this rule amendment was prepared by the board.
Then
এ করণ শর্মাজির ছেলের থেকে কিছু শেখো নাসাতে রকেট সায়েন্টিস্ট ইয়েস এমন কোনো কোশ্চেন নেই যার আনসার ওর জানা নেই
ও রিয়েলি তাহলে তো এটাও জানো যে প্রাণ পোটাটা চিপস না বিস্কিট
বল বল
এটা
পারবে পারবে
চিপস না বিস্কিট কি এটা কেন নাসাতে শেখায়নি বাবা বাছাই করা
That
is without jurisdiction.
And without jurisdiction and illegal. Void ab initio. Even if there is any district wise panel, that is void ab initio. They had no authority.
No, the board may also publish district wise panel.
Yes,
That is the wrong.
But panel should be prepared by the board.
Right. All these, suppose there are 20 districts. Your argument is now the selection committee, this panel publication authority has been taken away from the DPSC by the board.
Yes,
So board can publish the
it was not published. It's my specific case.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, kindly, what actually happened? Kindly comes to page number 128. Neither board prepare any panel or break up of score or something, whatever, nor DPSC did that. Then who did that? I'm asking the question to myself. Answer lies from page number 128. From here, a third party, namely S. Basu Roy Chaudhary and Company, came into scene. Starts from page 127, kindly comes to page 128.
Yes.
Kindly see the scope of work. The scope of work was allotted. Then, my lord, kindly
Now what is this? What is page 1 of this?
page 128, page 127, a quotation. Quotation for printing OMR answering sheet, processing of the result of the candidate appearing at teachers eligibility test conducted by the board. That was given to the S. Basu Roy Chaudhary and Company. Subsequently, scope was enlarged. That was the initial scope that right now I showed, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly comes to page number 133, what they actually did. 133. Board selection process, panel should have been prepared by the board. Board didn't prepare it. It was given to a third party who was not within the purview of the rule. Then 133, post-interview final panel list. Clause 5, page 133, clause 5.
No, this page 127 you are saying.
Initially, they were given work.
Please place the page
127.
127.
It was a quotation
Yes, let us.
for printing and delivery of OMR answer sheet and processing result of the candidates for TET. Initially, S. Basu Roy Chaudhary was appointed for processing this document regarding TET 2014. Subsequently, time to time, their scope of work.
So they were also there in TET 12.
TET 12, I'm not sure.
That is paragraph 1.
ma'am.
We have successfully.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. TET 12. TET 12. They were there in TET 12.
So they were given the responsibility of printing and delivery of OMR sheets and processing of results of TET 20.
Yes, ma'am. But
You were successful in
till
TET.
now, I have nothing, my lord. Till now, I have nothing to say. How scope of work was changed.
No, TET 2014 you have
I am successful candidate. There is no
qualified.
yes, my lord. There is no dispute. But what I am saying, in selection process, the panel should have been prepared by the board.
We understood you. Now please.
Now,
tell
my lord,
us.
kindly comes to page who actually prepared the so-called panel. Page 133. 5. It starts from 132. It starts from 132.
Yes.
Proposal for online application processing for interview and collection of fees of qualified candidates and such. Now 133. 133 5.5. Post interview final panel list. 5.1. Collection of candidate data and qualified list for interview test. Candidate details obtained for extracurricular activity, training details, Viva VOC mark, aptitude experience marks for the para teachers. But they were given responsibility for preparing the panel. The work which actually selection committee should have done, that was given to a third party. As per Rule 7, selection committee should have prepared the panel. Rule 7 was amended.
Mr. Tiwari, kindly come back to the amendment which was brought.
Yes, madam.
The board shall constitute selection committee for such and such within the jurisdiction of the board. What is your interpretation? Jurisdiction,
Within the
there
juris-
will be 20 panels.
Yes, madam. That is my interpretation.
Board is the jurisdiction of the entire state.
Yes, madam. That is my interpretation. For that reason, specifically, it was amended.
No. Board, what I think if we take jurisdiction of the board is entire West Bengal.
Yes, madam.
So in West Bengal there are
20 districts.
20 districts. So is it your contention that board would be having the jurisdiction to publish for every
Yes,
district one panel?
Yes, madam. Because Rule 7, it was given to the DPSCs, council. In earlier, page 11114. Earlier, it was given to the council. Power was snatched and it was taken by the board.
Very good. Now page 133 you showed us.
Yes, madam.
So you are meaning to say that this post-interview final panel list was also conferred upon that
Third
private.
party. Rule 7 was not followed. Rule 8 was not followed. Rule 7 amendment was not followed. And this section was strangely termed as confidential section. This third party.
Where do you find confidential?
That is general term before other bench.
No, we found a letter addressed to a confidential.
Yes, Manoj. Madam. Page 130.
Yes, confidential processor.
Confidential section alien to the recruitment rules. And 130 is also important, my lord. Page 130 kindly sees the clause B. After receiving the online application, arrangement are to be made for printing of district-wise list for scrutiny, verification, and viva voce interview and aptitude test sheets along with the attendance sheet of the candidates and dispatch of the same to the board. Arrangement are to be made to take up scrutiny, verification of the testimonials and viva voce sheets for necessary entry against each candidate forwarded by the district and preparation of panel as per the rule. Secretary is writing a letter to the confidential section, giving them responsibility of preparation of panel. It's a complete detour to the rule.
No, these state results have been announced. Now you make arrangements for online for online application submission, for collection of fees, for receiving scrutiny verification of the testimonials and viva voce sheets
Yes, my lord. Last and
where panel preparation was given to them. Panel for viva voce sheets for necessary entry against each candidate forwarded by
and preparation of the panels. Okay. Along with all this, they were also given responsibility for preparation of the panel. Their scope of work were also increased. I just showed page 133.
So who was running this institute, this person that
The owner probably died and his son was arrested by the CBI. Right now, probably he is on bail, I'm not sure.
yes.
Next, my lord, my next point will be, my first point was panel. My second point was selection procedure. My third panel will be reservation roster. I have just said there is on many occasions of my senior friends argued the reservation roster was argued before a different bench and all. My specific point, before 28/11/2022, no one in the state has seen anything called panel or breakup of score. For the first time, in view of order passed by this honorable court, a breakup of score was published on 28/11/2022. Before that, no concrete thing could have been said about reservation roster or panel. From that particular list, reservation roster and other thing came into in the light, that it was a complete detour. But kindly comes to Rule 11, Rule 10, and appearing as page 118.
Rule 11.
Rule 11. Rule 11 says observance of statutory provision of reservation. In every case of selection and appointment under Chapter 3, the statutory provision for reservation, election of age limit, and other concession required to be provided for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other backward class and physically handicapped candidate shall be properly observed. It is not just a directory; it is mandatory. Following reservation roster cannot be a wish of any recruitment authority. Is a constitutional mandate.
This was not done.
I'm showing man how it was not done, man. Kindly comes to my note, page 149. Though this report was misleading, subsequently, after publication after passing the order of the before the honorable single bench, the board, in other matter, board has published a list containing last cutoff. From that, everything will be clear. I will be placing that. It's already before your lordship. Kindly comes to page 149 once. One RTI application was made by a person, page 149.
149.
149.
Yes.
An RTI application was made by a person to know about his marks, last cutoff, and other thing. The bottom portion, minor, kindly sees. They said UR general. There is nothing called UR general, and UR means unreserved. That is open to everyone. Marks cutoff. UR general last cutoff was 17.280. UR SC 18.377. UR ST is lower. UR OBC 17.921. UR OBC B 20.185. I'm asking the question to myself, my lord. One SC candidate who scored more than general candidate, what he is doing in the SC list, he should have been in the general list as per meritorious reserve candidate policy.
Yes.
Now kindly take up can 9. So it must be before your lordship. Can 9.
Order 41. Can 9 order 41 will 27 application. Can 9 order 41 will 27 application. এটা তো অ্যালাউ হয়নি আমাদের তো সার্ভ করে দিবে
সব মেলে সার্ভ করা আছে ওরা দেখো
So, Mr. Tiwari, this is a letter RTI on 3rd March 23 showing that this is category was you are proceeding on presumptions.
No, my lord.
Only category was pertaining to South 24 Pargana, Bengali
No,
medium.
my lord. My
You
no.
are saying that you note the number 17.28, what he is doing here.
Man, I'm not.
That is your question, sir.
I'm not proceeding on presumption. I'm showing, my lord. Kindly comes to reservation roster was not followed. Subsequently, from the order passed by this honorable, it was clear. Kindly see page 36 of can 9, my lord.
Can 9 was not allowed, my lord. But I'm taking exception in regard to can 9.
Please keep quiet. Let him continue. We have heard you.
No, my lord, can 9 was not allowed.
We will hear you. Let him complete. Let him argue. Yes.
Page 36 of can 9, my lord. email করেছি তোমাকেও করেছি
So this is order 41, rule 27.
my documents are off board. Not a single alien document is there, my lord.
Board means on where we will find these
But I am showing, my lord. Kindly see page 36 once.
No, no, these documents are in the file, in this paper book.
857, no, my lord.
Then where it is? Where it is?
But this document was published by the board on 23rd May 2023.
Which document?
The can 9, the document which I am trying to show before your lordship. By way of a memo, board published the same in their official website.
23rd, where that is?
Ma kindly come see page 36 once, my lord. Page 36.
Yes. Mr. Mojumdar, please, we will hear all your objections. Yes.
My lord, kindly sees in terms of the order passed by this honorable court, this breakup of score was published. Before that, a breakup of score was given to us, which is not true. I'm coming to one later on. As per this particular document, appearing as page 36, it starts from 37 to 26. 37 to 26. I have prepared a chart regarding numbers
Go one by one. What you are showing page 36.
36 is the breakup of total marks of the last
Place
em-
it, place it,
marks.
place it.
36. Breakup of total marks of the last empaneled candidate based on district opted, medium, caste, and category in 2016 recruitment process in compliance with the order passed by Honorable Justice Abhijit Gangopaধ্yaय and such and such. In terms of the order passed by this Honorable Court, this breakup marks of the last empaneled candidate was published.
Yes.
Kindly comes to now page 62. I have simplified this document, this bulky document in 2-3 pages. Page 62. From this document, I have prepared a list to show number of last empaneled candidate in each district in each category. For example, my lord, Shiliguri, first. I'm not concerned about train, I'm taking a non-trained. Kindly see.
Page 62.
62, 62,
Wait, your Jalpaiguri, your Siliguri.
Siliguri.
Yes.
For general marks was 12.779, OBC A 12.971, OBC B 16.416, SC 16.063, ST 13.091. That means in each and every in particular district, the marks of general candidates is much lower than the reserved candidate. My specific contention before this one,
Just one. General cutoff was 12.779.
779.
So the cutoff in ST was higher.
Higher. In case of each district. Yes, my lord. For this, OBCA were 12.971,
Hmm.
OBCB 16.416, SC 16.063, ST 13.921.
Yes. Now then, what is your on that? What you want to say?
My contention rules regarding meritorious reserve candidate was not at all followed. If one SC candidate scored above general category student, he should have been placed in general category, and in his or her place, one SC candidate would have get the chance. To elaborate this, my lord, kindly come to page 63 once. Page 63.
Yes.
We could get hold of breakup of score of few districts. I'm just elaborating it with Malda. Kindly comes to Malda, my lord. General mark, general last. Before that, my lord, I must tell you, your lordship. Or just I have just forwarded, given a copy of the amendment rule.
Hmm.
Kindly comes to the last page of that rule. It will be easier for me to elaborate this. In this amendment, my lord, 7C3, last page. Note 7C3, last page. Provided also that in case of non-availability of the earmarked candidates, the requisite earmarked vacancies shall be filled up by the non-earmarked candidates. Suppose in a particular category, earmarked candidates.
Okay, guys, have a look. This is it. First look at the first. This is it. First look at the first edition.
Sounds great.
10.252. He was recommended in para teacher category by using this particular rule just now, which I showed just now. He got general candidate, got empaneled, he scored only 10.252. Whereas OBC A score is 20.706, OBC B 18.851, SC 15.930, ST 11.301.
Yes.
I was lucky to get hold of the list of Malda, that is starting from page 69. In the extra,
These documents were in the board's website.
this is of the DPSC's document.
Pardon?
DPSC's document. This board's document.
No. This has been uploaded in the board website.
This was gathered from the DPSC.
This is prepared by you.
On which one, my lord?
These charts page.
Charts prepared by me from the page documents uploaded by the board.
Which document was it? That document.
Page number
Page 36.
36 to 61 are the document of the board.
Uploaded.
And to substantiate my chart, to prove it authenticity, my lord, I am just placing one document. Kindly comes to page 69. In each and every district, reservation roster was not followed. 69, my lord, I could get hold of list of few DPSCs. I am just referring one.
Yes.
But kindly, right hand side top, kindly sees district Malda, medium Bengali, category unreserved, caste general, vacancy 960. Page 69. Firstly, this caste general, this particular term is troubling me. There is nothing called general reservation. It is unreserved and it is open category, open to everyone. From here, my lord, from page number 69 to
So
page number.
what you are meaning to say, since it is not described as
No, my lord,
unreserved,
I am not on that. I am describing why I am saying so. Kindly comes to from page number 69 to page number 96. Name of 960 candidates are there. Kindly comes to page number 96.
yes.
This 960 seats, unreserved seats, were filled up by the general candidates. Kindly see the last number, my lord. It's 14.397. Page number 96, general, from the bottom column, SC starts. Above that, Mehbooba Jasmine. Your lordship got it.
Yes.
Her mark is 14.397. She is from general category. Now my question is, just from the lower portion of that page, kindly sees the SC candidates, their marks is 20.984, 20, all are 20 up.
They have not been put
Yes,
up in
my
the
lord.
general.
Yes, my lord. They have not been given in a general portion, general category. If they were given in a general category, then situation would have been otherwise. Some reserved category students would have get chance. And kindly comes to page 144 once.
So how many read petitioners are reserved category?
More than 39, my lord. And as per particular thing, I can show more than 39 candidates in the read petition are crossing the cutoff marks. More than 39. Out of 140, more than 39 are crossing. And in other case, in other application before your lordship, more than few hundreds are crossing the cutoff marks. More than few hundreds. Those are before your lordship. And the person who could not come before your lordship right now, even those category are also there. I'm showing my lord. Kindly comes to 144 once.
Can I?
10-9. 144. My lord, kindly read page 63 with 144. क्या बोलिए बेटा? দেখ খালি জেনারেল আছে। তিনটে আছে বের কর।
33,000 was directed to be
Trend
cancelled.
was, so actually exact trend was 12,443 as per the breakup published by the board.
12.
12,443. Let us not go into the numbers, let us go into the category. Trend, untrend.
No, out of 40, total vacancy,
42,628, 12,443 were trend.
where do we find that? You have given any note here?
I don't know. But I'm giving. For my understanding, I prepared this.
No, for our understanding.
That is, total vacancy was 42,949. Total recruited 42,628. Total trained candidate 12,443.
So this 42,268 was appointed.
628.
628.
Though not
About
sure, my lord.
300 posts were vacant.
Not sure. Why I am saying so not sure? I will come, I will show to your lordship. Excess appointments were made. Board has stated on affidavit that panel expired between 16 to
No,
20.
it is your case in the petition that there are 349 odd vacancies are there. You accommodate me in that. That is what you are wanting.
My lord, kindly come. Let me.
No,
But
no,
I don't know how